Hi guys, welcome to question number 15 of our Python series. So today's question is something, even it was asked to me once. And back then, I remember that someone asked me this question, but not sure whether I was able to do it or not. But yeah, at times, guys, things are very simple, but it's just that uh, usually when you're starting out you might miss on things because there's so much information overload, and we just tend to think that we need to know everything, and then actually we don't know anything. So it's more about patience and the right time. So it's a very simple question. See guys, you have a data set and a value. Okay, it's a time series data set. You have data and value. Now someone has asked you that we need to calculate a 7-day moving average of value. So what does that mean? That means that whatever values you have, they need to be perhaps added and added. So at each 7-day interval I need to add values from 1 to 7. Okay, from, and then I need to divide it by 7 so that I'll get an average. I hope you understand 7-day moving average. If you don't understand that, then allow me 1 second. Sorry. So let me just try to help you with that. Can you create an artifact? Can you create an artifact to help me visualize 7-day moving average? So guys, just let it complete. Okay. So it didn't work. uh, a simple a simple chart would do. ML, CSS and JS. So I think it used React and it couldn't render the chart, but that's okay. That's not a very difficult thing. Okay, now it's able to get you that stuff. So let's say you have this chart. Okay, now what is happening is this is your daily value and this is the 7-day moving average. So all these points, okay, this point, this point, this point, this point, this point, and this point, these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, this point. So all these 7 points have been added up and then divided by 7. And similarly in the next this point, how did we get this point? Is this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this, you get this point. So okay, this is also simple 7-day moving average, so not something very difficult. Now I think you're able to understand it with the help of this chart. So that's how you guys use LLMs to make lectures more interesting, things more fast, and just getting stuff done in a more efficient way. It's just about knowing some basics and knowing prompting, right? So basically it, in the first instances, it gave a chart in React. Then I just told it to not do it in React, just simple HTML, JSS and JS and CSS. So guys, it was able to create a beautiful chart. And guys, that's how it would be used in education sector as well. Let's just skip it. Now let's just move there to our coding thing. So now how would we write the code is we'll go with df 7 day ma, and then we would write df, what is the next column out there? Value is the column. Let me just see the spelling. It's VALV. So what we need a row average. So this is rolling average. And what is the window is 7. And what is, which aggregation we need mean. So guys, tell me, is this difficult? But it's about knowing these things. It's just about knowing that okay, if you wish to take something at a rolling layer, you need to write rolling, and then you need to write window as 7, and then this is the layer of aggregation that we are using, so that we'll get a 7-day moving is nothing but this and average. So tell me guys, is it difficult? It's just about getting stuff done. And someone will say that hey, can you plot this as well? So just go with df value dot plot and plt dot show. So guys, all these things are simple. It's just that you need to get your basics right. And guys, since if you get your basics right, it's essentially done. You can just get stuff done anytime you want. And thing is that you need this thing to be done very fast only, because guys, things are changing in a very dynamic fashion. So if you have good understanding of the basics, you can move. See, this is how you plot a 7-day moving average in pandas. So I think we are good. So thank you friends for this lecture. Guys, please subscribe. A lot of content is coming on a regular basis. We need to um, close on a lot of stuff, but everything will get closed, don't worry. So thank you guys, please subscribe.